Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your location on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So log into your account using your credentials, and then you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start taking pictures. Now, if you haven't already allowed the location access, when you tap on the map icon at the bottom left section, you will be asked to allow access. You will not be able to see your nearest location. So you can tap on the GPS icon at the bottom section and you will be asked to enable your location. Tap on the enable location button and then tap on the allow button while the app is in use. This will then directly navigate to your location using your GPS data. And now, once your location has been enabled and you are able to see yourself, you can send your location to any individual on the Snapchat application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your location within the Snapchat application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.